name is Panya.
My name is Kao. I am Atom.
I am
And I am Nampun.
Are you guys excited to make chocolate brownie?
Yes!
Do we have everything we need, guys?
Let's check. We need a mixing bowl, baking cup, and oven.
Yes, and the most important ones. A mitten and a spatula.
We also need a whisk and a baking tray.
Now for the yummy part. What ingredient do we got?
We will need brownie mix, butter, eggs, vegetable oil, and chocolate chips.
Okay, let's get to it, guys.
First, we need to pour the brownie mix into a bowl.
Next, bake 2 eggs into the bowl.
Careful.
Next, add the butter to the mixture.
Now add the vegetable oils.
I will mix it.
Okay, let's all help pour the batter into the baking cups.
Okay guys, let's put the baking cup on the baking tray.
Preheat the oven to the 180 degrees. We can bake it for about 20 minutes.
I'm so excited to taste it guys.
Me too.
We'll see you guys back here in 20 minutes.
Thank you for watching the Coaching English Cooking Show.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.